In the quest for luscious locks and a healthy scalp, nature often holds the key. Among the plethora of natural remedies, oregano oil emerges as a potent elixir for hair care. Renowned for its antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant properties, oregano oil unveils a treasure trove of benefits for your hair. Let's delve into the remarkable advantages it offers. 1. Stimulates hair growth. Oregano oil is rich in nutrients like vitamins E and K, iron and calcium, which nourish hair follicles and promote hair growth. Its stimulating properties awaken dormant follicles, leading to thicker and fuller hair. 2. Combats dandruff and scalp irritation. Say goodbye to pesky dandruff and scalp irritation with oregano oil's antibacterial and antifungal prowess. It effectively eliminates dandruff-causing fungi and soothes scalp inflammation, providing relief from itching and flackiness. 3. Strengthens hair roots. Weak hair roots are prone to breakage and hair loss. Oregano oil fortifies hair roots by improving blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring that each strand is rooted firmly for stronger and healthier hair. 4. Nourishes and conditions hair. The moisturizing properties of oregano oil help hydrate and condition hair strands, leaving them soft, shiny, and manageable. It seals in moisture, preventing dryness and brittleness, thus reducing the risk of split ends. How to use oregano oil for hair care. Diluted scalp massage. Mix a few drops of oregano oil with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. Massage the blend onto your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before shampooing as usual. Hair mask. Combine oregano oil with natural ingredients like honey, yogurt, or avocado to create a nourishing hair mask. Apply to damp hair, leave it on for an hour, then rinse thoroughly. Shampoo booster. Add a few drops of oregano oil to your regular shampoo to enhance its effectiveness against dandruff and scalp issues. Leave-in treatment. Dilute oregano oil with water in a spray bottle and spritz it onto your hair as a leave-in treatment for added shine and protection. While oregano oil offers numerous benefits for hair care, it's essential to use it cautiously to avoid any adverse effects. Here are some cautions to keep in mind when using oregano oil for hair. Skin sensitivity. Oregano oil is potent and can cause skin irritation, especially if used undiluted or in high concentrations. Before applying oregano oil to your scalp or hair, perform a patch test on a small area of skin to check for any allergic reactions or irritation. Dilution. Always dilute oregano oil with a carrier oil like coconut, olive, or jojoba oil before applying it to your scalp or hair. Using undiluted oregano oil can be too strong for the skin and may cause burning, redness, or discomfort. Avoid contact with eyes. Take care to avoid getting oregano oil near your eyes, as it can cause irritation and stinging. If accidental contact occurs, rinse your eyes thoroughly with water and seek medical attention if irritation persists. Use sparingly. Oregano oil is highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. Use only a few drops of oregano oil in your hair care recipes or treatments to avoid overwhelming your scalp or hair with its potent properties. Consult a professional. If you have any existing scalp conditions or medical concerns, consult a healthcare professional or dermatologist before using oregano oil for hair care. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that oregano oil is safe for your specific situation. Pregnancy and nursing. Pregnant or nursing women should exercise caution when using essential oils, like oregano oil. It's best to consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating oregano oil into your hair care routine during pregnancy or while breastfeeding. By following these cautions and using oregano oil responsibly, you can enjoy its benefits for hair growth and health while minimizing the risk of adverse reactions. Remember to prioritize safety and listen to your body's response when using any new hair care products or ingredients.